Melanie Lyman and I'm a practice manager at Lawton House Surgery. I'm also a practice manager representative on Eastern Cheshire Clinical Commissioning Group. The CCG commission, that's plan and buy health services for our population. That's hospital services and community services and also services where people require support for mental health. The CCG aren't responsible for commissioning GPs, pharmacies and dental services, but we do work with the commissioners of those services. We'd like to thank you for enabling us to take part in this project, and we really appreciate the time and the commitment that you've put into the recommendations that you've made. I first became aware of the project in March this year when I was approached by Sue from Our Life, and Sue was looking at different ways of recruiting residents from Bromley Farm. One of the things we thought might be useful was for her to come to the waiting room and speak to people when they were waiting to see the GP. I'm not really sure how you made your decision to get involved, but we really are grateful that you have and for the time and the commitment that you've subsequently given to the project. We have seen the recommendations that you've made, and we're aware that you've rated these in a particular way by voting for them. We want to support you in implementing these recommendations, and to that end we all signed a pledge so that we can, where possible, support you. The work that's been undertaken in Congleton is really quite unique in Eastern Cheshire, and certainly Plus Dane are to be commended for supporting this project, and I'm sure that other areas in Eastern Cheshire would benefit from learning about what you've undertaken. What you've undertaken here in Congleton really fits very well with a significant initiative that we've got at Eastern Cheshire CCG, and this is the Caring Together programme. Caring Together programme has involved quite a number of stakeholders: Cheshire East Council, East Cheshire NHS Trust, which provides services from Macclesfield Hospital and Congleton War Memorial Hospital, and also the community services. It's also engaged with Cheshire and World Partnership Agency, who provide mental health services, and other organisations, the voluntary sector. And the main emphasis of Caring Together at the first level is really to empower people to improve the health and well-being of their own environment, and that should aim to ensure that people live a healthy and happy life in their own homes. If we can do anything to support you in improving your knowledge of the Caring Together programme, I'm sure that we will be able to perhaps do a presentation at maybe one of your residents' meetings. We really look forward to seeing the implementation of the recommendations, and again I'd like to thank you all for getting involved and allowing us to be part of this project. Thanks.